Okay, we're out here at a building site and we're getting ready for set day. You can see we've got a lot of gravel here on the front portion of the lot. We've obviously got a ditch here, but we've got a really wide apron with a lot of gravel, and that's because we need a very wide turn in order to turn in from the road with our transport carriers. And then coming up to the building site, coming up to the foundation, we've actually got a very large gravel crane pad, because this is where the crane needs to sit, right here in front of the house. This very large crane pad will be here in order to set up the crane and not have it sink down into the mud. So we've got a very large crane pad here, and here is the basement. Ready, everything is ready now for set day next week. You can see that the sill plate, the wooden sill plate, is installed above the poured foundation. We've got the rubber wrap around the outside of the poured foundation wall. Then we've got a gasket, and then we've got pressure treated sill plate bolted down. And on top of that, we'll set the house, and you can see running down the middle area of the home, we've got an I-beam. We've got an 8-inch I-beam with 5 vertical support columns. And we have your egress window on the far side over here. We've got a couple of glass block windows as well. And this is the garage footprint here. You can see it's cut out for where the garage door will go. The flatwork's all been poured. You can see the cutout back there for the man door. And we're about, let's see, we're about 18 inches or so below the house on the garage. And then in the house here, we've got a little bit of water accumulating at the bottom of the basement. And I wanted to show you this because this is not a terrible situation at all. Some people get a little freaked out with water in the basement, but this will all be pumped out. And once the electric goes in and we've got a sump pail that's running, we've got a sump pump that's running, then of course you won't have any water in the basement. It's not going to damage the concrete at all. We clean all that stuff out prior to wrapping the inside of the wall with insulation. So that's completely normal. And then coming to the back of the house here, into the backyard, you can see that we've already got our septic tank installed. That's where those green pipes are coming out from, is the septic tank. We've got the topsoil here stripped off the lot and mounted up on the back of the yard. And we're ready to go. We're ready for set day. This is a nice clean building site. And I wanted to show you that. And if you have any questions about how to prepare your building site for set day, or if you're looking for a quote on your new home, feel free to give me a call, post a comment, post a question down below, and we'd be happy to connect with you.